Today, I am going to show you exactly how to set the correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. Let's dive into the main issue that many of us face when trying to send emails through Outlook. Whether you're new to the platform or simply setting up a new account, configuring the SMTP settings correctly is crucial. If not set up properly, you might encounter delays, failed messages, or even an inability to send emails at all. So, let's ensure your Outlook is ready to send emails smoothly and without any interruptions. First, before we delve into the step-by-step process, it's essential to have a stable internet connection. This will make sure that everything runs smoothly as you go through the setup. Now, let's start by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook website. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and either typing in the URL directly or simply searching for Microsoft Outlook to find the official site. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice a sign-in button, usually located at the top right corner. It's hard to miss. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. Make sure you type in your email address and password accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered these details, click on the Next button to move forward. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Outlook dashboard. This is the central hub where you can view all your emails and access various features that Outlook offers. Now, shift your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. You're looking for the settings icon, which typically resembles a small gear. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you can access settings for your account. Within this settings menu, you want to find the section labeled Mail. It's often part of a submenu, so take a moment to locate it and select it. Once you're in the Mail section, look for options related to forwarding and IMAP. You'll find multiple settings under this category, and this is where you can customize some critical configurations. When you're in the forwarding and IMAP section, it's crucial to identify the toggles or checkboxes for POP and IMAP settings. If these are not already turned on, you need to enable both. Activating these settings ensures your email account is configured to receive and send messages using various email clients or devices that rely on these protocols. This step is vital for maintaining accessibility and flexibility with your email account, so make sure these settings are correctly activated. Taking the time to properly enable POP and IMAP settings means your Outlook will function seamlessly across multiple devices. This offers you the utmost convenience, allowing you to access your emails wherever you are and on whichever device you choose to use. And there you have it. By following these steps, setting up the correct Outlook SMTP settings becomes a straightforward process. You'll ensure your email is configured correctly for both sending and receiving messages effectively. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to set the correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss an update.